Peas. Peas, please. What do you mean, no? They're good. Try again. You like them? Now he likes them. This is that first initial, oh, these are peas. Ugh. That was priceless. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do you like them? I think you do, but they're not that bad. Just a love peas. Good, huh? Yum. Open up. I'm not sure if you like them. Does he like them? I can't tell.
I don't know.
I don't think so. I think he's hungry, but he doesn't really like them.
It looks like pea soup.
It smells like pea soup. Does it taste like pea soup?
Yeah.
Mmm. Look, he's spitting it right back out. He's like, maybe this is bananas. Maybe this is bananas.